Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we are going to be creating some looks with a brand new Bella Beaute Bar CRYSTALLIZE palette. Let me give you a closer look at this beauty. Now this palette is set to drop this Friday, December the 5th at 11 a.m. CST. CRYSTALLIZE is going to retail for $75, but don't worry, I do have an affiliate code with Bella Beaute Bar, and it is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. This is a beautiful 20-pan palette, magnetic in the back. You can pop them all out, put them in your own palette if you choose to do so. You can see that we're working with a little bit of pastel, a little bit more muted tones, but those shimmer shadows are definitely popping and they're definitely speaking to me. I'll be creating two looks with this one. Let's get started right now. All right, guys, so let's start creating the first look with the CRYSTALLIZE palette. I'm seeing a lot of, pastels, some more muted tones in here. I think that I'm going to start with this shade and then go into this shade. So we'll be playing with these two mattes first. Using my BK202, and I'm just going to be applying this up above the crease, kind of towards the brow bone. And I do have, obviously, my eyeshadow primer on, and it's the one from Morphe. Now in a BK211, I'm going in with that second matte shade, and I'm applying this directly into the crease. A little in the outer corner as well. Next, I'm going to go in, let's see. I think I'll try this shade down here just to deepen up the outer corner with. I'm using that same BK Beauty brush. All right, I think that looks really good. What shimmer shadows are we going to dive into today? They're all so beautiful. I'm wearing neutral colors to work today. I think I want to go with this one right here. I'm using my Morphe M124 just to start applying the glitter glue, and then we'll go in with that shimmer shadow. Now, I might use a second shimmer. We'll see. You can tell that I'm focusing this first one right here on the inner corner. That way maybe there's room for a second. Now, I think I'm going to try this shade next. Same brush, just flipped it over. This has a beautiful shift to it. It's like a blue to a pink, red even, a peach. Really, really pretty. Oh, I do feel a little bit of fallout on this eye. Hopefully I can just flick it away. Now I'm just going to touch up the matte shade that I put here in the crease and outer corner. This is the darkest matte one. I'm going to go back in with this for the lower lash line using a Rephr 03. Now I'm going to do this shade for the inner corner. All right, guys, I'm going to pop off camera to take care of finishing touches, charge my microphone a little bit, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number one. Okay, guys, so here is the completed look number one. Really love the way this look turned out, and it was very easy to create this look. The products I went in with are the new Maybelline Lash Sensational Body Mascara. Really love this one. A little LA Girl black liquid eyeliner on the top lash line. For the lower waterline, a ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Plum Smash. And that's the look for today. I will see if I can do a check-in at the end of my day to let you see the wear time of these shadows, but definitely stay tuned because look number two is coming up right now. Hey guys, so I've had this eye look on for the last 10 hours and I think it looks beautiful. No creasing, no flakiness. Everything is still intact. It's vibrant. I love it. Let's start creating look number two. So I've already primed my eyelids with my Morphe eyeshadow primer, and I'm hoping that my microphones have enough charge in them to get through this full look. I'm wearing black and white to work today, so anything is gonna go here. And I really feel like playing with this pink shade, so I think I'm gonna go in with this shade first. We'll be using these two on the lid and in the crease today. Using a BK202, I'm just gonna apply this shade upwards towards the brow bone. This will act kind of like a highlight slash transition shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and start packing on that pink shade with my What's Up Beauty R105 to the lid. All right, I think that looks really, really cute. Am I going to deepen up? I feel like I always do this. It's just out of habit, but I'm going to deepen up the outer corner. And also, just to try another shade, I'm going to go in with this one down here. I'm using a BK Beauty A504 brush just to do this outer corner work, a little bit into the crease as well. Now I'm just touching up the pink on both eyes just to make sure it's nice and blended. You know, we don't need to go in with a shimmer, but we just have so many beautiful ones to play with, and I think I'm going to choose this one. I'm just going to pick it up with my finger, and I'm just going to add it to the center, outer and center. Now for the lower lash line, I think I am going to do this shade down here, my Refer 03. Now for that inner corner highlight, I think I'm going to take the shade right here. I'm going to spray it with a little setting spray. Okay guys, I think the look is complete shadow wise. I'm going to pop off camera. I might do some lashes today, and I will show you the completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I really love it. The lashes I'm wearing are House of Lashes Natalia Light. They're some of my favorite. Same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline, a ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade, oh, this is part of the Sailor Moon collection. So I don't know if that collection is still out, but I loved this look today. I loved the look yesterday. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on the new CRYSTALLIZE palette from Bella Beaute Bar. All right, guys, so it's been a fun past couple days working with Miss CRYSTALLIZE over here, the latest palette, the last release from Bella Beaute Bar for 2025. This is like Icecapades. This is what I'm thinking in my head when I saw this. Beautiful shimmers. Bella Beaute Bar has some of the most beautiful shifty shimmers out there. If you have not tried Bella Beaute Bar, maybe this is going to be the first palette that you try them with, although their Halloween releases are top notch. And I actually think I'd recommend to you to try some of those releases, maybe over this one, because they have a lot of amazing palettes in their collection, and they have such a good formula. I love seeing the mattes in here. You're getting 20, let's see, is it 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 20 different shadows in here. It's going to retail for $78. It drops this Friday at 11 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff10 will save you 10% off over there on the Bella Beaute Bar website. Should you decide to pick up any of those Halloween palettes or other palettes from the past, but I am definitely giving it 2 thumbs up. Never have problems with Bella Beaute Bar. This brand just keeps getting better and better. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know which look was your favorite. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'll see you soon. Bye.